Okay, so today I just wanted us to share something. Let's derive P2P, peer to peer. And this is how some of the key things that you need to check for. So, one is availability of the seller or the buyer that you're buying from or you're selling to. Sorry, that you're buying from. So since we're in the buy tab on the top, you have the buy and then you have the sell, right? You can see I'm flicking left, right. So when you see where it's like the first one, where it's in JO, there's a little green dot there. That indicates that the person is online. Same thing with the second one. Then the third one, which is CL clicks exchange, you can see it's grayed, meaning the person is not online, right? So we go back again, when we look at the rating or the rating given the stars, this one ranks 4.5, almost full five ratings, and he has done more than 250 plus orders. So meaning he's someone that you can rely on. Same thing with the one that follows. The third guy has done 100 and thing plus, and you can see has a full five-star rating, and we keep going down. So key features to look out for is how many transactions I've done. That's the one that's 250 on top. The star rating of the service, meaning someone recommends it to someone. The higher the ratings, the better the person is. And then the green dot next to the initials of the seller, right? I mean, yeah, of the seller. Since us we are, or of the buyer, sorry, since us we are selling and they are buying. So those are some of the key things to look out for. So that also includes his rate. Is written there 90 kwacha, 57 ingwe, Zambian kwacha. Then he also has the limits of from $1 to $100, and then the payout methods is Airtel, FNB, MTN. So the more the merrier. The ones that you prefer to use. I prefer to use Airtel most of the times or MTN. Mobile money is always faster. Banks are a bit more trickier or takes more time, whatever the case is. So you can see, you can scroll down, and you find ratings. So it starts from the least rating to the most high. So as you can see, it's almost getting to its 20. Yeah, and it keeps on going. There we have FTI exchange. This is one of the. He is good, trust me. Even though his rating is higher at 20 kwacha 15 gwe, you will never be disappointed. So yeah,